Welcome to Webstar Plus. ChatGPT is not just capable of carrying out engaging conversations, but it can also solve a wide range of mathematical problems. From simple arithmetic to complex calculus, ChatGPT can provide solutions, step by step explanations, and even help you understand underlying mathematical concepts. So, whether you are a student looking for some homework help, a teacher seeking a new tool for your classroom, or just a curious learner, I am going to show you how ChatGPT can become your personal math tutor. If you are using ChatGPT free version, here are some tips for you. Ask any math question. You just need to know how to describe a math problem accurately in plain English. Be specific. Ask for step by step solution. Ask for explanation. Describe diagrams or graphs in detail to help ChatGPT understand the problem. For example, what is a square root of -1? Explain it step by step in detail. And here is a detailed explanation. Continue the conversation if you have to and ask for more explanation until you get the proper solution. Now, if you are ChatGPT Plus user, you can use GPT-4 model. In that case, I have a real treat for you. From settings, go to beta features. Make sure plugins feature is enabled. Under GPT-4, enable plugins. Go to plugin store and install a plugin called Wolfram. Access computation, math, curated knowledge, and real-time data. Install it. Close. Make sure this plugin is enabled from the list of plugins. With this plugin, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to solve any math problem. Say goodbye to math struggles because ChatGPT makes math a piece of cake. You can solve math problems in seconds. Do you have math homework to do? No problem. ChatGPT is the math tutor you will ever need. Here is how to crush any math problem using ChatGPT with this plugin. Let's ask same question. What is square root of -1? The plugin was selected by ChatGPT automatically. Now you see graphs and images in ChatGPT. ChatGPT alone is not able to show images, but plugins make it possible. You can click at the link provided at the end to explore more about it. Now this explanation is a lot better than provided by GPT-3 model. Here is another question. Solve this. Here is another question. If the sum of the squares of three consecutive integers is 77, what are the integers? Here is another question. A circle has a diameter of 10 centimeter. What is the length of the arc subtended by a central angle of 45 degrees? Here is another one. Solve the equation for x, the product of 2 and x squared minus the product of 3 and x minus 2 equals 0. Here is another one. If f of x equals the product of 3 and x squared minus the product of 2 and x plus 1, find the difference between f of 2 and f of -1. A right triangle has sides of length x, x plus 2 and x plus 3. What is the value of x? The sum of two numbers is 15 and their product is 56. What are the numbers? If the seventh term of an arithmetic sequence is 14 and the 10th term is 23, what is the first term? A sphere has a volume of 36 pi cubic units. What is the radius of the sphere? 3 units. If y varies directly with x and y is equal to 15 when x is equal to 5, what is the value of y when x equals 9? Solve the system of equations. So you see, you have to just describe the math question accurately to get the answer. If you can, use any relevant math plugin with ChatGPT to make the experience even better. We expect more math plugins for ChatGPT in the future that will make math learning even more easier with ChatGPT. The plugin that I used in these examples is Wolfram. And besides this, browsing feature in ChatGPT Plus is live. Browsing enables ChatGPT to search the web and get the latest data from internet. You can also try enabling browsing under GPT-4 and ask math questions. This is helpful when Wolfram and ChatGPT are unable to answer a question properly. Browsing will help you browse the web for appropriate answer and get it for you. Overall, in my experience, I am able to solve math problems more efficiently with Wolfram plugin in ChatGPT. Also, if you want to use ChatGPT 4 for free, check the links in video description. I hope these tips will make your math learning experience a little bit better. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.